My name is Eric Gokin,
Todd Zarobin.
and this is the GoBQ.
It's a grill made from a flexible material, and it's flexible in its usability.
Most grilling is confined to a backyard because grills are tough to get anywhere else.
They're too inconvenient to take very long distances. Most people are more mobile these days. They're not always driving cars. They're walking, they're taking public transportation.
Even portable grills on the market today are incredibly cumbersome. They're not easily portable. They can fit in a car. That's about the extent of their portability. One day it just hit me. Why does this grill have to be metal? Seeing this fabric duffel bag unfold into this entire grilling system kind of takes people by surprise a little bit. The material is a composite fiberglass material. It's coated with silicone.
People may already be familiar with silicone baking products and that type of thing, so similar technology withstands very high heat. We had a very successful crowdfunding campaign a few years ago where we raised over $120,000 in a few months to early adopters, people that were excited about the concept of the GoBQ and were buying them on a pre-order basis before it was even built. To date, we've sold over 1,400 units to consumers all over the world, over 44 different countries. We've also been fine-tuning our supply chain and our production processes, so we've reduced our production costs by 40% and are ready for our next production run. We're ready to take it to the next step and really scale up the company and pursue retail markets. Customers are using it in ways that we never imagined and also in ways that we thought were ideal and why we invented the product. They love their GoBQs. They're giving us great reviews and posting some pretty cool stories on social media about how they're using it. For example, one customer was grilling burgers in the deep canyons of the Moab Desert. Another customer was ice fishing in the middle of Canada in the great expanse of a barren lake. One guy was tailgating in the parking lot of Motel 6, cooking ribs. Who knew that that was a thing? Someone posted a review on Amazon where they were cooking breakfast for their family in a park in Zambia. But beyond that, we've learned that people especially appreciate it just for its compactness and its portability. City dwellers that don't have a lot of storage space or don't even have a balcony to grill on, they can take it with them to a local park or the beach or what have you. So we're ready to make a big marketing splash in 2020. We want to move beyond direct-to-consumer online sales and tackle the retail markets. There's also opportunities for the promotional products industry and licensing. The GoBQ Grill unites two of the greatest joys in life: being outdoors and enjoying the wonders of nature and cooking up a hot, fresh, grilled meal that sure beats a soggy sandwich in a backpack. So with StartEngine, GoBQ fans can become owners of the company for as little as $300.
Where will you GoBQ?
Yeah, let's do it again. Are we gonna go, where will you GoBQ?
Yeah.
My name's Eric Gokin.
I'm Todd Zarobin.
Where will you GoBQ?